everyone, and welcome back to Baby Talk Tuesday. I'm going to give you a tour of the room. Now, this is the room that I do my nails in and I do all the fashion in, but I've also incorporated all the baby stuff. So I'm going to go through and show you guys how I have that set up. Let's turn the camera around and have some fun. Okay, so for starters, you guys have seen this room before if you're old to my channel. If you're not, I have a huge shoe collection. I'm a fashion queen. And so, yeah, this room became the room that I would get dressed in. And of course, you know, get ready to do my Wear It Wednesday. That is my shoe rack of all my shoes. I have done a collection on that. I did videos on that, like 4 pairs a week until I showed you guys all of my shoes. But they're just all over the place. I just have them up on the wall all over. There's my hat collection. I got some jewelry boxes there. We've got my purse collection there. I'll back up the door here so you can see all my purses. And those are just like, you know, hats that would be more like baseball caps and stuff. And then the other side of my wall, I have the other ones. Got my mirror, AngelsHeavenlyNailz. That's when I was, you know, doing a separate channel before I did this channel, the Keep It Keto. This channel is all different stuff. But my uncle made that for me for my channel, the AngelsHeavenlyNailz. My sister-in-law painted that. And then, yeah, I just got the hats, the purses. I got that for Christmas from Jaden, that good friend of mine. And so I just thought I would show you that. That's just all my, like, flats and flip-flops and things like that. And then, of course, this wall here is my polish wall. So I got all the polish on this wall. And it just goes all around where I do the polish. And the rack of polish right there. This is a shelf with polish stuff as well. And different things for doing nails. My dresser, more polish there, more polish there. That's where I do the nails and everything. And, you know, can sit on both sides if I do somebody else's nails. There's the towels and stuff like that. So I'm just kind of showing you different things in here of that. So the actual room, that's my pedicure stuff. Of course, Minnie's little cage, she sleeps in here, and that's just my extra hangers. I just got to put that away. But yeah, that's just the wall. And then, all my nail stuff. And then, of course, there's some more fashion hats. They go up under there, too, as well. The fashion hats, that's just my top coats and stuff like that. And then in my paper towels and different things like that. So this was a fashion room. There's some more shoes down below here. Yeah, I have a ton of shoes. That purple thing back there is all stuff for nail stuff, like doing my, when I do my end photos, just to have some backgrounds and just a bunch of just trinkets for nail stuff. Then, of course, there's some more trinket for nail stuff on both sides. It's got different things. Of course, this is the baby room, but I'm just showing you that I incorporated it into this room. But there's some baby stuff there. We've got a couple carriers to carry the babies. And then, of course, well, first, show you my high heel chair. Love that because I love shoes. And that's why all over there's all my necklaces and everything. And different signs that my mom got me to do with shoes. And then over here, I did... I love my shoes, so I got that up there, and then just a couple photos and stuff up there. So that's the stuff that is all my fashion stuff, so you guys got to see that. And then, of course, behind, I'll just go up here and show you. Behind, it's kind of hard to see, but up there are all my boots, and you'll see why it's behind. I'll show you because the baby stuff is in front, but that's all my fashion boots. Goes all the way to the end. And I'm a Care Bear collector too because my husband calls me that. That's my nickname. So I got some Care Bears down there. They go all the way to the other side. But yeah, they're just all down underneath there. All right. But then we're going to turn around. I'm going to show you the baby stuff. All right. So here's how it goes. There is the baby stuff. That is my one that I use for Octavia. It comes with a stroller. It's a 2-piece car seat and stroller, which is great. And I use that for Octavia. I have other car seats. I got one for Aurora, and it sits in the garage with the baits and stuff, but I just keep that one in here because I mainly take out Octavia. That is my full silicone baby girl. And that's the one I usually take out the most. But anyways, there's my changing table that I got. Actually, Jaden got this for me for a Valentine present. So thank you, Jaden, so much. I love it. Absolutely love it. I got it off of Facebook Market, and then this thing pulls down and the thing slides forward. And then you can, you know, change the baby, keep the stuff in the back and all that. It came with the changing, I don't know what you call it, a changing pillow or... So you got the changing table with the bed for the baby to lay on, and then that just folds back, and I just put the little mirrors on it. But the top drawers here, I keep in all the diapers. You got Aurora's diapers, Abel's diapers, and then some diapers for Octavia, and then baby shampoos, powder, the lubricant for the pacifiers. We've got all the stuff for bathing them, the towels and the washcloths and all that, the burp cloth, just the, what's it called? The brushes for brushing on the powder. That's the top drawer. The second drawer I use for all of the onesies. We got short sleeve onesies, long sleeve onesies, and then it goes to Aurora's short sleeve and long sleeve onesies, and then Aurora's pants and Octavia's little pants. So I just keep that in there. And then the bottom drawer here, let me move this over, sorry. Bottom drawer here is just blankets and like swaddles and things like that, and different baby wraps. And then I just stuck in some of these little bloomers that you put under it, and some of the summer shorts, but then also some blankets. I just kind of mix this because there's only 3 drawers here, so I just kind of mixed it. And I thought, well, those don't fit there, so I'll just throw them in there. So yeah, it's a beautiful, baby changing table. I love it. And he's going to send me, Jaden did get me some actual, sheets that go over these. He did it on one of his videos. I just have a blanket right now and kind of taped around for now, but it was a brand new changing pad, which was awesome. That's what it's called, the changing pad. So that was awesome that it came with that. And this is like, I think it's complete oak. This thing is really heavy and really beautiful. I love it. So I'll be getting some of the sheets, but for right now, I'm just using a blanket, just taped. And then I've got 2 of the plastic containers to put her, all the baby stuff in. So here's all the bows for Octavia and Aurora, but that's basically just for Aurora because she has the hair where baby Octavia don't have any hair. So she's got to wear the ones that go around her head. But that's full of all of that, all the different colors of that. This right here I'm getting rid of. It's just a little refrigerator. I just set it on top for now. But just a little portable refrigerator. Just thought I'd set it there for now. But anyways, the top drawer here is their socks for all 3 of the babies. Next one is the shoes. And just this little case here for that little tiny baby. I just put that there. But these are shoes. Don't have a huge collection of shoes yet, but I'll get some. These are the pacifiers and some baby toys. I just had some back here. I got some toys for the babies. And then this was just something I got from Jaden for Christmas, for baby's first Christmas. And I, of course, got it after Christmas. But that'll be cute to put out for next year. And then Aurora's pacifiers are separate from Octavia and Abel's pacifiers because they can take a real pacifier where she has to have the magnet ones. So hers are separate. They don't have anything on them. They just have the magnet on the ends, if you see that through there. Hers magnet to her mouth because her mouth is closed. She's that Reborn. And then, so I got all the pacifiers in here. And then this drawer here is the bottles and formula. And that formula I got from somebody. It was expired formula. So they just said, hey, if you want it, you can have it. I'm sure a baby could still probably use that formula. But I just said that'd be perfect to do baby videos. This one here is just all the fashion or hats for the babies. All different hats for them. For both of the girls. And little Abel, there's a couple of hats in there for him. And then we got the bibs. And back here is the cloth diapers. I got back there, and then, of course, all the bibs in the front here, so that works perfect for that. And then all the clothes. My dad hung this for me on the ceiling, and it's in there very strong. I actually can hang on it. I weigh 140 pounds. I literally can hang on that. He would, screwed it in like 3 inches up into the wall. So I'll just kind of get up close and show you. And then it's got a ring on it, and then we went through with a nice pole, a nice wood pole. But we've got little Abel's clothes. Now, he don't have a lot, and you see his size would be that little tiny there, and these are preemie. I'm going to adjust them and make them smaller to be more like that. More small like that, but he don't have a lot right now, so I need more for him. For a micro preemie baby, I need to make more clothes for him. And then all of this is Octavia, and I did them on those, rings that you would put 4 sets of clothing on each one, or 5. I got it online. Jaden also sent me some of those hangers, but you can put 6 clothing on each one. So there's, a lot of clothes for her. I got them from Facebook Market, from friends, from Jaden, from family. So yeah, I do have a nice amount of clothing. It starts with her sleepers, and then it goes into her clothes, and then into like the dresses and stuff for the summer stuff. And then this over here is Aurora's stuff. She doesn't have as much. Of course, we got the winter jackets too, the winter snowsuits. Aurora doesn't have as much, but I do have some more I do have to hang. But again, see the racks, they are 5 or 6, I think 6 going down. So there's still 6 sleepers going down, 6 sleepers going down, you know, her clothes. So there still is quite a bit for Aurora too, but that's the one I need clothing for more. She wears the size 6 to 9 months to 12 months. That's what she would wear. Basically, I don't think she can really fit in a 3 to 6. I think maybe I could squeeze her into it, but basically she would wear, she's a 6-month-old, supposed to represent a 6-month-old, my Reborn. So I would say more 6 to 9 months to 12 months. So that's what she wears. And so I'm trying to, you know, collect more for her. And Jaden did send me more. I do have some more I got to hang up there. So I do have a good amount for her, but Octavia obviously has the most. So you see, I play with her the most, you know, being my full silicone baby. She's got a lot of stuff there for her. So I was lucky to get all this stuff just given to me, which was awesome. But yeah, I just have it hung up on the wall there. So it's just great. So when you look at the room, you got all the beautiful baby clothes hanging across there. And just everything is just set up so nice. And it's so perfectly, you know, all the room in here still with everything here, how it worked out so good for the baby stuff. So I thought you guys would enjoy to see that. I know somebody had requested to be able to see the baby room where I keep all the stuff. But this is where it all is. And then I'll show you one more thing. Just the little bassinet in me and my husband's bedroom. There's Minnie. We got the bassinet there. And that's where the babies sleep. Of course, I keep Aurora and Abel and that little tiny baby I keep in here. I just cover her because she's an open eye. So peekaboo. Hi, Aurora. Hi, baby. So she's sleeping. And then we got little Abel here. And then, of course, that little tiny, tiny baby. I just leave them in here in this little bassinet. And, of course, since they don't grow, they can always be in here. And, you know, Octavia could go in here too, but I like her in bed with me, so she just sleeps in bed with me. But I thought I would show you guys that. That's where I keep the bed. The bed could go in the other room, but I do want the babies in the room with me where I sleep. Sorry if it's a little bit messy. That's my husband's side. We all know how husbands are. But yeah, that's where I keep the babies. So, but anyways, yeah, that's that. So fun. I thought I'd show you guys that. And like I said, it could definitely go in here. I could definitely maybe, you know, set the bed up in here, maybe, you know, on the wall there. I couldn't get into the closet, but I could maybe move things around a little bit and set the bed up in here, but I want it in my room. But there you go, you guys. I'll take some still photos at the end too, just to show you. But this is my baby room where I get the babies all dressed, and also where I get ready and do all my nails. So if you haven't seen this room, yeah, I have a collection of shoes, clothes, and polish, because I'm a fashion queen. I got all that jewelry and everything. Yep. So, all right, you guys, everybody take care. God bless. Stay safe. Forgot to show you guys the baby bath where I hang that. Right there in the little spot where the plug is, there's just a screw there, and I just stick it through that, and that's where I hang the bath. So that can hang in the bedroom really nice too. Just thought I'd throw that in the clip as well. That's just a mannequin, half mannequin I got one time my husband found out in someone's yard. They were just giving it away, and I added a skirt to it. It came with the nylons on it, but I painted the toes on it. I just thought it would be cute, you know, in my room here, just my fashion room. I thought it was cute, and I put one of my fashion skirts on there. But yeah, that's where the bath hangs. Oh my gosh, I forgot to add this clip in. I wanted to show you guys the baby stuff out in my living room. So I have a swing for both the girls. They both can use that one. This is one that sits up a little higher, and it can go both ways, either back and forth or side by side. It adjusts both ways. I found that on Facebook Market for free. So that's awesome. That's just my Wizard of Oz shelf. I'm a big Wizard of Oz fan. So, and there's my Cabbage Patches because I'm a doll collector and a huge collector of Cabbage Patches as well, but a huge collector of Wizard of Oz. I love Wizard of Oz. That's my shelf. You guys may have seen it before. If you're new to my channel, I did do a video of my whole collection. So just look up that if you want to see it all. And then, of course, over here, we've got Octavia's swing. Aurora can go in there too, but basically I use it for Octavia. But it's a nice little short one. You guys seen her swinging in. I've had it in her before, so I leave that right there in my living room. So I got my couch here. I've got the high chair there for Aurora. She'd be the only one that could go in it because she is like a 6-month-old. A nice little short one that sits down to the ground. This is just my other couch, and pay no attention. It's just set up for the night because I'm going to watch the movies and stuff. And so we just have it set up. It's a Chase Lounge couch. And so I just set it up. Me and my husband watch movies and stuff. So that's how it's set up. And then back in this corner, we've got the little crib. So we have like a little crib out here. Octavia, look at how cute she is. Oh my gosh, she got a little bath tonight and all snuggle buggle in that new little sleeper. Another one that I got from Jaden. It's so cute, and like all the little cupcakes on it. I love it. And she looks like, it just looks like a cuddly bear. Isn't she precious? And I love this little bed. It's so cute, and it is a rocker. So you can rock it. Like if you were sitting there, you can sit and rock the baby in it or whatever. I just keep that back in the corner. But I wanted to show you some of the baby stuff out there. That's just my, you know, end table or whatever. But also, this isn't anything to do with the baby, but I wanted to show you guys this. Look at Jaden also got, he sent me these beautiful angels. He sent me another package, and I tried to film that for you guys. Obviously, my camera wasn't working. It shut off or something. But I tried to show you. I got another package. Yes, another one from my good friend Jaden. And in the package, I got the angels. I got a couple of a shirt and a sweater. I will do in an outfit of the day for you guys and show you that. And I got a few other things I can't remember. And my husband basically got a bunch of stuff in that box. It was for him. A lot of things for working out and stuff like that from the like the vitamin stores and like GNC and stuff. So a lot of stuff he likes like that. So that stuff and a pair of socks. Oh, I got socks from him too. He sent me 20 pairs of brand new socks from Marshall's. I believe it was from Marshall's. And yeah, because I told him, you know, we were talking one day, he's a sock collector and he loves socks. And I heard that I don't, that's one thing I don't have. I'm a fashion queen, but I'm mostly barefoot through the summer and the spring and fall. I only wear socks in the winter, and we were just talking about my socks, and I'm like, oh my gosh, you would be ashamed if you see my collection. And he surprised me and bought 20 pairs for me. So yeah. But anyways, he got me this, and he got me all the angels. Now, I'm an angel collector. I love them. He figured I would love these angels for Christmas to put them on a Christmas tree. But I'm like, no, I want to display them right away. And I was trying to think in my head what to do. And I was telling him, I would love a tree type thing that you could use all year long that would light up, and then I could hang the angels on. And all of a sudden, lo and behold, in the mail came this. It's supposed to represent a birch tree with the lighting on it. Isn't that beautiful? And then I could hang all my angels on it. Look at you guys. Isn't that just gorgeous? I just want to add it in. I know it's not the baby stuff, but I wanted you guys to see it. And it's set up of keeping it on its battery pack, so you can keep it on always or put it on a timer or shut it off. But it's supposed to represent a birch tree. And they are on a wire, so you can adjust each one. But come on, isn't that gorgeous? And I have it in this corner with this stuff that's glass stuff that I keep up. So I thought that would be perfect in the corner like that. But oh my gosh, I love it. I just had to share that. Jaden spoils the heck out of me and my husband. He is just amazing. He's an amazing friend. I keep telling him, stop spoiling us. Stop it. But he's really a nice guy, and I appreciate all he does for me. But we do for each other. I also send packages to him, and you can go to his channel and watch. I also send things to him as well. We go back and forth. But yeah, he's a great guy, and he's the one I got the babies from. So, but anyways, I just wanted you guys to see it because I absolutely love it, and I just was able to put that up today. So, but anyways, so now you got to see the stuff I keep out in the living room too for the babies. So, yep, just give it a quick look again. My mom got me that beautiful chair there. I love it. I don't let anybody sit on that because that's really a unique chair. And we got an old-fashioned high chair. And yeah, so, and then the other swing for the girls. But all right, that's it, you guys. Oh, another thing Jaden sent me. Look at that, you guys. It's authenticity. You got the authenticity. It's a $2 bill with the Wizard of Oz on it. Another thing he sent me. Yes, he spoils me. Oh my gosh. But he spoils both me and my husband. He's good to both of us. And we spoil him too. He'll tell you we do. So, but anyways, everybody have a nice night. And I hope you enjoyed this baby tour of all my baby stuff. Everybody take care. God bless. And I'll see each and every one of you in my very next upload.